Hello traders and welcome back. In this video, we're going to be learning about brokers. So we're going to be learning about who a broker is and what services they provide to us as Forex traders and what things you should look out for in a broker. So who is a broker, right? A broker is the financial entity that is responsible for connecting a retail trader to the global Forex market. So the broker connects us as retail traders to the Forex market. We have seen the players. We have learned about the players in the Forex market in one of our past videos, and we've seen the rules that the brokers play. Okay, we've seen some of the players, some of the big players that use a lot of money to trade. They use billions and billions of dollars to trade. And we as retail traders cannot actually partake in trades with big players like them. So we use the services of a broker. So the broker then collects our orders as retail traders and connects us to the market. So that's the use of a broker. That's the importance of a broker, to connect the trader to the market. Okay. So the broker provides the trader with a trading account, a trading platform, and also is responsible for executing the trader's orders. We looked at orders in one of our last videos, and like I said before, that in the video, the broker is responsible for creating or executing your orders as a Forex trader. The broker provides you with a trading platform which you can access on your mobile device, that's on your phone or on your computer, and the broker provides you, of course, with a trading account. Okay, so your trading account is where you fund your money. You fund your money in order to trade. So all these are provided by your brokers. So there are things you have to check out for when choosing a broker, because of course there are scams. There are brokers who do not have your interest at mind. They just want to make money off you. Okay, so there are things you have to check out for in order not to fall into a scam. Okay, so I've listed a number of things here, and I'm just going to talk about each and every one of them one after the other. So the first thing you have to look out for is high regulation. What do I mean by high regulation? You need a broker who is regulated. There are financial bodies who regulate brokers, who check their activities, who make sure they are performing well, who make sure they won't just close up one day and run with your money. Okay, so there are bodies that take care of this. Okay, and some of these bodies are the NFA and CFTC. That's for brokers located in the US. Okay, and then we have FCA for Europe. So brokers located in the Europe should be regulated by the FCA. All right. And then brokers in Australia should be regulated by this body, that's the ASIC. Okay. And then for FMA, brokers in New Zealand, and so on and so forth. Different locations usually have different bodies that actually regulate them. Just try to find the location of your broker and then make sure your broker is highly regulated. So when your broker is highly regulated, there are possibilities of credibility. Okay, so it means your broker is more likely to be credible, is more likely to have your best interest at mind if they are regulated. Okay, and your broker is more likely to have enough money so that you don't just wake up one day and just see that your broker closes up and runs with your money. Okay, so the first thing you have to check is high regulation. You have to make sure your broker is regulated. Now the second thing is a good reputation and financial standing. So good reputation, your broker has to have a good reputation. Your broker has to have some experience in the market. Probably at least 8 to 10 years of experience. Okay, your broker should have a lot of customers. You don't want to use a broker that is just starting out. And then good practices and financial standing. You want a broker that actually has money, that actually has assets. Okay, things that show that yes, your broker is not just coming to the market, or it's not just coming to the business or the industry to make money off you and then run with your money. They actually should have money, should have a lot of money on their own before actually being a broker for you. Okay. And now the third thing you have to check is fast execution. Okay. You have to check fast execution of your orders. So your orders should get executed at less than 1 second, at less than 1 second, especially for people or for traders who want to be scalpers. This is very important for scalpers because your best move can happen within a second. And if your broker lags, you'll see that you'll have missed out on important moves because of this delay. So your broker should be able to execute your trades with speed. Okay. Yeah. So the other thing you have to check is good leverage. Your broker should have good leverage, should give you good leverage. You don't want a leverage that is too high. You just want something good enough. A leverage of 1 to 500 or 500 to 1 rather is good. A leverage of 250 is good. 200 is good. You don't want a leverage of 1 to 1,500 or 2,000, or that's too much. That's too much. Remember I said from our video on leverage that too much leverage is not good. Too much leverage is not good. And the next thing you should look out for is minimal fees and spreads. You don't want a broker that charges you too high per trade, and you don't want a broker that charges you too much spreads. Okay? So some brokers are notorious with bad practices. Okay? A whole lot of bad practices. They hedge their positions against you and do very crazy things just to take your money. Just to take your money, give you crazy leverages so that you can blow your account quickly and so that they can make a lot of money from the charges. Some brokers give you a lot of leverage, not because they want you to make money, but because they know that with giving you too much leverage, they're going to charge you higher. Okay. For the trades you take, they're going to charge you higher. Okay. For the fees. And then apart from that, apart from charging you higher, it's going to be easier for you to actually blow your account. You actually blow your account easier when you use higher leverages. That's one thing. So you want a broker with minimal fees and minimal spreads. And the next thing you want to check out for is stable and user-friendly trading platform. So most traders will give you MT4, MT5, and some will give you other platforms. I know of one other platform called C-Trader. There are many other platforms. Most brokers actually have their platform. Okay, but the basic platform for Forex traders is usually MT4 and MT5. Okay, so you want a broker that gives you a stable platform and a user-friendly platform. You want a platform that gives you all the information you need. You want the platform that gives you all the tools you need to be able to analyze the market properly and do all you need to do well in order to take quality trades. Okay, so stable and user-friendly trading platform is very important. Now we want a broker that gives us excellent support. You want to be able to reach out to your broker at any time and get a response. You want to be able to reach out to your broker when you have problems and get a response. So you should actually make sure your broker has a good support. You can test them. You can test their support. Send them a message, send them an email, or send them a chat to see how their response will be or how soon they can reply. Okay. And finally, you want your broker that actually makes it easy for you to withdraw and deposit your funds. So most brokers will make it very easy for you to deposit, but then hard for you to withdraw. That's not good. That looks like a scam. Any broker that makes it easy for you to deposit, but then very hard for you to withdraw, is a scam. You should not, you should not go along with such a broker. Okay. You should actually be able to withdraw easily and deposit easily. You should be able to use a range of options, whether it be wire transfer, whether it be bank transfer, whether it be debit card or credit card, whatever, whether it be a digital wallets like PayPal, like Payoneer. Your broker should be able to give you these options, okay? These options to withdraw and deposit. Your broker should not be charging you too much for withdrawing. They should not even be charging you for withdrawing. So that's it for this lecture. In the next video or in the next lecture, we're going to be learning more about the types of brokers. So that's it for this video, and sure to connect with you in the next. Bye.